Good morning, class. This is class 9 book Beehive, and I'm going to teach you first chapter of this book. The first chapter is The Fun They Had, and Isaac Asimov is the writer. Now we are going to start the first chapter, The Fun They Had. Okay, here is the chapter, The Fun They Had. We are going to start the chapter. It is the story in which protagonist, means the writer, told how the future classes will be taken by mechanical teachers. In this chapter, it is told that in future, when there is no school buildings, no teachers, human being, only the facilities in future will be of mechanical teacher, which is provided to the students who stay at their homes and get educated. So here we are going to start the chapter. In this chapter, the Margie is a girl. We started from the protagonist. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today, it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather." Here it was told that a book is found by Tommy, and the book which he found in the year 2157, diary written by Margie, and it was told that the book is old because at the present it's not used. Now on the next page, told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So here it is mentioned that at that present day on which that diary is written, books are not used. Here it is mentioned that pages were written in old days. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, and then supposed to and then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Here crinkly means with many folds and or lines. Crinkly here, the meaning of crinkly is with many folds or lines. Here the protagonist is saying that the book which was found, it has yellow pages and which has many folds, and there is a line on every page, and the words which were written on that were printed when which were not moving, and at present they were studying by a mechanical teacher, and on that screen scrolls and the words moves. But in old days there is a words which were printed on books which not move on. So they were discussing on the same topic. They were supposed to on a screen. Here on the next para, Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Yes, here they were discussing, Tommy and Maggie, that it's a waste only because they have millions of books in their computer screen or television screen. It means their mechanical teacher, and so they are not known about the printed book. So they came to hear, they came to know about the book, printed book. That's why they are saying these books are of waste. So on the next para, same with mine, said Maggie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, where did you find it? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What it about? School. Here, same with the mine. Here they were talking about Maggie's saying that I also have what books on my computer. It means mechanical teacher, which is called telebooks in millions, which is less than that Tommy because he is of age 13 and she is of only 11. So Tommy has gone more telebooks because he is elder than Margie. So then she asks Tommy, what is about the story which Tommy is reading? It's about what? School. Then in book there is a story which is written about school. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hated school. As she hears school word, she was scornful because she don't like this school. As Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Why she had hatred of school? Because she was studying the geography section in the mechanical teacher, with the help of mechanical teacher, and she was giving test after test which were not fine, which were not in good result. So she was hatred of the school as she was not performing in a good way. So at last her mother had shaken her head and sorrowfully sent for the county inspector. It was given for the maintenance work to the county inspector. In the next para, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. Here is the description of the county inspector. His appearance, how he is looking. He is looking round like a little man with a red face. He is having a red face and a whole box of tools. He is having a toolbox also with him, which is having dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. He did a thing. He given a apple to the Margie and smiled at looking her and taken the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. the part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Here it is discussed that it was the mechanical teacher which was maintained by the county teacher, county inspector, who whenever there is a problem in mechanical teacher, he always comes and take it for the maintenance work. After preparing it, he came back with that mechanical teacher, which looks like when it gets on large and black and ugly screen with a bigger screen, which she hated. Why? Because she is not getting good marks in her geography section, and we will know in further chapter that what is the reason behind it. So this was so bad. This was not so bad. The part Margie hated, the part Margie hated was that when she had to put homework and test papers. This part she hated. Why? She always had to write them out in a punch code. She had to write that in a punch code, made her learn when she was 6 years old, and it was started when she was only 6 years, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time, and there is not much time taken by the county inspector in the calculation of marks. So the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So in this para, county inspector is explaining to Margie's mother that it is not fault of the child, it is the fault of mechanical teacher, as the geography section was geared up. It is not at the level of the girl, so he maintained that level to the 10-year level. So now she will perform better way. Here Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Then here further, it was a disappointment by Margie, because she was hope of that county inspector will take his teacher for a month, as she know before that when history section of Tommy's mechanical teacher is not working, it was taken to a near about month. So she also hoped the same way it was taken her computer too, but the county inspector geared it to the level of to the Margie's age at 10 years. So we will discuss the rest of the chapter in the next video. Thank you.